Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove your resume or your CV from the Indeed job search application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Indeed job search application on your device, and once it is opened up, you will see the sign in button if you haven't logged into your account already. Just click on sign in and then use your credentials to log into your account, and once you have been logged in, you will be taken into your home page. Now, from your homepage, if you already have a resume or CV added onto your account, but you wish to delete this now, then tap on the drop-down menu alongside Job Seekers. You can then tap on Resume, and this will take you to your resume or your CV page. Now, underneath the resume section, you will be able to find your CV that you have uploaded. You can simply tap on the three dots at the right side, and you will see the delete option. Tap on delete, and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to delete your resume. In order to provide your confirmation, tap on the delete button once again, and now your resume will directly be deleted from your account. Once your resume has been deleted, you can proceed with uploading another one, and you can also go through the step-by-step process within the Indeed application to create your new CV. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to remove your resume from the Indeed job search application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.